Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on 5 of the most exciting AI startups in the industry today. 1. NovelAI. NovelAI is a creative tool that can help you write, brainstorm, edit, summarize, and perform other tasks. The creators of the well-known note-taking app Notion have begun testing a new function called NovelAI that employs generative artificial intelligence to produce notes and other types of content. This company is developing a cutting-edge AI platform that can understand and respond to natural language, making it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. 2. Chai. Chai is a platform for two-way AI communications. It provides a cutting-edge smartphone app, also available on the web, that lets consumers communicate with the AIs just like they would with a real person. Numerous bots are already available on the platform, and new ones are uploaded daily. This startup is using AI to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices, making them more intuitive and user-friendly. Chai has created a Python library called Chippy that streamlines and simplifies bot programming. With Chippy, you can quickly build, test, and deploy a chatbot. Although the Chai AI has been around for a while, it truly started to gain popularity in February 2022. 3. NovelAI. A GPT-powered sandbox for your creativity. NovelAI is a monthly subscription service for AI-assisted authorship, storytelling, and virtual companionship. And today, NovelAI announced its image generation tool. With the help of NovelAI's artificial intelligence algorithms, anyone, regardless of skill level, may publish high-caliber literature. This startup is using AI to improve the way we create and consume content, from writing to gaming. 4. Cactus AI. Cactus AI is the first artificial intelligence technology designed specifically for use in classrooms. All of your schoolwork can be completed automatically, and Cactus AI Writer is ready to deliver your essays in minutes. Is it just limited to essays? No, not at all. Cactus AI Writer's versatile features allow for writing code, cover letters, CV bullet points, and more. They focus on using AI for decision-making and problem-solving, making it a valuable tool for businesses in a wide range of industries. 5. AI Dungeon. In 2019, developer Nick Walton released the AI Dungeon, the AI story generator game. AI Dungeon uses artificial intelligence to create content for both single-player and multiplayer modes. Players are able to design and share their own unique adventure scenarios. This company is using AI to create an entirely new type of gaming experience, one that is truly interactive and open-ended. These are just a few examples of the many exciting AI startups out there. It's clear that AI is going to play an increasingly important role in our lives, and these companies are at the forefront of this technological revolution. If you want to participate in paid social media app use and online questions, check the description for detail. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.